Vietnamese culture has been much influenced by many other cultures, and an art form distinctly Vietnamese has taken shape: cuisine. Just 7 kilometers outside of Ho Chi Minh City lies the Saigon Culinary Arts Center, where foreigners come to partake in a hands-on cooking class. Here, professional chefs prepare traditional Vietnamese dishes. Pho, stemming from French influence, is the most popular dish amongst the Vietnamese. The broth process of pho gạo takes 2 hours, so as the water sits and soaks the flavor of the chicken and spices, the students learn to prepare ta gio, Vietnamese spring rolls, mixing minced pork, crab meat, and other spices and herbs, and then carefully rolling the stuffing into rice paper. Meanwhile, others work on the dessert, ban it non dura, sweet dumplings with coconut jam wrapped in a banana leaf. Slowly, the different pieces of the meal come together, and it's finally time to eat. One of the great joys of travel is the discovery of new cuisines. To foreigners, Vietnamese specialties are really worth exploring, trying, and enjoying.